A chemical change is a change in which one or more new types of matter form. In a chemical change, two materials, called reactants, will combine in new ways to form another material, a product. Some chemical reactions cause gases to be given off. Adding baking soda to vinegar, for example, does just that. The bubbles will create a new substance, a gas called carbon dioxide. The most important thing to remember about chemical reactions is that once a chemical reaction has occurred, it can never be undone. For this experiment, you will need a microwave-safe mug, a cake mix packet, 3 tablespoons of water, and access to a microwave. First, you will wash your hands thoroughly. Empty your cake mix packet into your microwave-safe mug. Add 3 tablespoons of water. Now stir until your mixture is well combined. With the help of your caregiver, follow the directions on your cake mix packet and microwave your cake. Cooking time may vary depending on your microwave or the cake mix packet. Once your cake has completely cooled, use a fork or a spoon to break apart your cake. As you see here, your batter has magically transformed. When it is heated in the microwave, a chemical reaction occurs, and the batter turns into fluffy, delicious cake.